In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the very top and click on Analyze, and then here you want to click on ThinkBack. Now this is where you can actually do your backtesting directly inside ThinkorSwim, and it's pretty much very easy to use. So first you have to enter your symbol. I'm going to go ahead and do this example with Apple here. I'm going to select it. There we go. And then you can basically see the option chain here. You can see the underlying, which is basically the prices on that specific day, and then you can see your back trades and the P&L graph over here at the bottom. So the first thing you can do is, of course, by default it's going to be set to the current date, so which is today of the time of recording this video, and I can go ahead and go to underlying here, and when you can see the price you can right click it and click on either buy or sell, and this will basically a kind of buy or sell, like a back trade over here inside the back trades. Now it's going to show you on the chart as well, wherever that is. You can zoom that in and see what was going on, etc. And when you actually do this, you can then go ahead and also set different dates. So up here, you could go ahead and, for example, take this a month back. So if I go ahead, or let's just do 2 months over here, I'm going to press enter. And as you can see, the price was pretty much the same. But of course, still, I'm currently viewing December 9th right now, which is actually my mistake here. I went back 2 days, not 2 months, but still. So here you have to then, of course, just go ahead and kind of see. You'll be able to see your back tests over here. If I go ahead and, for example, type in, let's just do the October 9th here, and as you can see, the prices are quite a bit different. I can then go ahead and set sells and buys over here as well, and they will basically pop up down here, and I could do some analysis, and then here you could also set different trade dates, prices, etc. So you can play around with this and kind of use this backtester to backtest your trades right away over here in ThinkorSwim. So that's how to do it. That's how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.